I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Lexus side mirror cover. First, gather your tools, a plastic pry tool and your new mirror cover. Make sure your Lexus is parked securely and turned off. Always check your new cover for any imperfections before you begin. This simple process will have your mirror looking new in just a few minutes, saving you time and money. Now, let's remove the damaged cover. Using your plastic pry tool, gently insert it into the gap at the bottom edge of the mirror cover. Carefully work your way around the cover, applying light pressure to release the clips. Take your time and avoid using too much force to prevent scratching your mirror housing. The old cover should pop off smoothly. With the old cover removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new mirror cover with the housing, ensuring all the clips are positioned correctly. Apply firm, even pressure around the edges until you hear and feel each clip snap into place. Double-check that the cover is flush and securely seated with no gaps. It should fit snugly. Finally, perform a quick check to ensure everything is perfect. Gently push on the new cover to confirm it's fully secured and doesn't wobble. Test your mirror's adjustment functions to make sure the new cover doesn't impede its movement. A quick wipe down of the mirror glass will complete the job, giving you a clear view and a refreshed look. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.